Most BMW vehicles have a side marker assembly located on the fender. And the purpose of a side marker is once you activate your turn signal, a small bulb inside the assembly lights up, letting drivers in your blind spot know that you're turning. But over time, the assembly starts to wear out and look old and degraded, and the factory bulb just isn't bright enough for modern driving conditions. So today we'll be installing these brand new sequential turn signals that come in both a clear or smoked color that emit brighter, more crisp light and also have a cool loading bar design. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take some years off of this E93 335i. The first thing we need to do is actually remove the assembly. So simply use a plastic pry tool and lift up on the front edge while you pull backward on the assembly. And now over time, there is going to be some adhesive that gets crusted on. So simply use that pry tool all around the perimeter. And then carefully, while you're pushing backwards, you can pull the assembly out of the vehicle fender. And now there's one electrical connector. This may vary depending on your BMW chassis, but it should just be a simple clip-on design. So press down on the retention clip and it should slide right off. And now here's our brand new side marker that we're installing. It looks absolutely stunning. This specific one has a clear design, but it does come in different colors. And now before installing our brand new side marker, we want to go ahead and get some water or isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth and wipe off the mating surface. That way our new side marker doesn't allow water or debris to bypass. And now these side markers each come with a gasket inside of the box. And you'll simply install the gasket with the adhesive side on the actual side marker so the foam will press up against the fender. And now again, depending on your chassis, the connector may be different, but in all cases it's plug and place, so simply slide it on until it clips into place. And now pay attention here, these side markers have a metal clip just like the OEM ones, and they won't always slide on the first go. So to loosen the fit and make them go on easier, you'll carefully wedge up this metal clip by pulling it upward. And this will give it enough room to actually slide on to the fender. And then to tighten the fit, you'll push it down. So you may have to bounce around between the two until you get that perfect fit. And you can see here what I'm doing is slowly wedging up that metal clip while I slide it back onto the actual vehicle. And then once it's in place, you'll simply grab the whole assembly and you'll pull it forward while kind of wiggling. And what this will do is seat it properly and make sure that you don't have a gap on the front. And just like that, you can see our gasket is fully mated to the fender. The side marker is fully flush. And if we go inside the vehicle and turn on the electronics and actually activate the turn signal, and overall just takes years off the vehicle. I opted for the clear version specifically for this build, and I think it just looks very OEM plus. And for such a simple upgrade, it has a large impact. So if you guys want to take years off your vehicle and upgrade your lighting in literal minutes, check out my link in the description and use that promo code to get your very own at a discounted price. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful videos like this one, and I'll catch y'all in the next. Peace out.